Hi everyone, today we're going to be talking about fixing a sprinkler head. First thing you want to do is dig along the outer edge of the head, sort of like a donut. Once you pull the donut out, set it to the side to put it back when you're finished. Now you can grasp the sprinkler head and untwist. The head should have a threaded cutoff on it, or it can be located on the pipe itself. Either way is fine as long as you make sure it goes on the new head if it's located on the old head. Once the head is off, you can take the new head and twist it back onto the pipe that the old head was on. Most heads come with a flush cap that allows you to flush your lines of any debris that go in the line while repairing it. After you flush it, you will have to replace the nozzle on the old head. And as always, give us a shout out at 972-292-5800 or use the MyFrisco app to get a free sprinkler checkup with one of our licensed irrigators.